What's up, guys? It's Dmitry from FlexRC and I'm staying in Honolulu today. I'm planning to go to Kawainui Park, where I'm hoping to see their airfield where people fly drones and RC models. Let's go and check it together. So I arrived to Kawainui Model Field and check this out what they've got here. Looks like some shady area, I don't know. Anyway, I'll see if I can fly a drone here. My contents of my bag. Camera mount. I have here beefcake, my goggles, and I've got here 5-inch. I'm going to try to fly it. It's kind of windy here. I'm wondering how it will perform. S and 5-inch. And also, yeah, X-Lite. I'm primarily flying X-Lite right now. And I'm using this... what's the name of it? Anyway, I forgot. Long range. I had a lot of fun flying on this field, but I think it's mostly suited for bigger airplane models, unless you will bring your gates with you. I was a little bit concerned with the safety because of the vandalized cars we saw. But anyway, let's go to the beach and fly it there. Hopefully there will be some trees, so some kind of obstacles. Should be even more fun. Let's go! With me S and 5-inch, and I'm going to fly on this beautiful beach. Let's do it! Thanks a lot for sticking till the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment below and let me know if you have any questions, suggestions for future videos. Also, if you're enjoying my videos, please consider to subscribing to my channel. There is a red button underneath of this video. And I wish happy holidays to you and your family, and see you later.